What's up guys, welcome back to yet another review video. In this video we'll review OxygenOS 12, which was a hotfix over the previous stable build of OxygenOS 12. The initial build of Android 12 for Oneplus 9 and 9 Pro had lot many bugs, so that was pulled back by Oneplus, and later they rolled out a new update for the same devices, which is just a hotfix update. So in this video, let's do a quick review on the same so that you guys get a better idea whether to use this as a daily driver or not. And you'll also get to know what all bugs are still present on Android 12 for Oneplus 9 and 9 Pro. We created a poll asking you guys about what all things to be covered in the review video. We got total number of 1600 votes, in which maximum votes were given to battery part. And in the later part of the video, we'll show you all the screen on times which I've been getting on my Oneplus 9 running OxygenOS 12. Before starting the video, thank you so much guys for completing the like target of 400 likes. Let's keep the same like target, and also we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, so with no doubt, this build is quite stable, which is a hotfix of OxygenOS 12, and it can also be used as daily driver. But still there are some minor glitches here and there which requires bit of optimization, and some UI corrections are also required. We'll get to see more polished version of OxygenOS 12 in upcoming days. Notification panel still have some glitches. So here you can see this is a screenshot which I have taken, and this appeared to me most of the time, wherein I have some notifications. When I scroll down the notification panel, I get to see this huge blank space, and things do overlap while swiping down the quick setting panel or notification panel. Here I have a screen recording of that. You can see I had notifications. Whenever I swipe down the notification panel, I used to see this huge blank space, and the brightness slider was also overlapping. And this is not only with me, most of the users have been facing the same issue. Another issue which I have found while using OxygenOS 12 is related to the icons in the status bar. For example, right now you can see I have a Telegram notification and the icon color seems to be fine now. But let me show you a screenshot. So this is the screenshot, and I'm not sure if you guys are able to see the icon color of Telegram is completely white. So in that case, whenever I'm using the default theme, which is light theme, that time I don't get to see the notification icon of Telegram, because that doesn't change the color even if I switch to dark theme or dark mode. But as said, it doesn't happen always, sometimes it do appear. So related to notification panel and status bar, a bit of optimizations are still required. And I also saw a few comments on the community tab asking about the advanced reboot option. So guys, the advanced reboot option is currently not available on Android 12. While using my Oneplus 9 running OxygenOS 12 stable build, I got this pop-up which says unplug chargers, alien object or liquid detected. And guys, there was nothing inside my charging port. I kept my device for charge at 5%. I got this pop-up when my device charged up to 17%. And soon I tapped on OK. The device automatically started to charge once again. So I think this is a minor bug, and this happened for me twice after updating to OxygenOS 12, which is version C.39. And another pop-up which I got to see, and this happened while I was gaming. I was playing BGMI and suddenly I got a call from my friend, and this was the pop-up from System UI which says volume lowered to prevent extended high volume exposure. So I guess this is a feature on Android 12, but this happened for me first time, so I thought why not share it with you guys. And after this pop-up, media volume also dropped up to 50%. I also encountered another glitch, and that can be found in the settings developer option. Here you'll have an option of display cutout. If you try to make changes here, your entire UI will be messed up. So I won't recommend you guys to make changes here under the display cutouts, as this option is present under developer section, so it's not recommended for normal users to make changes. But I just wanted to update you guys. As you can see here in the status bar how improper UI is now. So I just have to again switch to a different display cutout to fix the same issue. Or if you guys are not able to fix it, just set it to default and restart your device. Hide notch option isn't present on OxygenOS 12. Few users also reported that one-handed mode is not working, but that's not the case with my device. I'm running the latest build of OxygenOS, which is C.39, and no issues to be seen with one-handed mode. If you guys are facing many issues, then I would recommend you guys to factory reset your device, because I saw a few more comments in which people were saying that double tap to wake the device isn't working. But as you can see here, double tap to wake and double tap to sleep works fine on my Oneplus 9. There are many UI issues which has to be taken care by Oneplus, and one of them is this widget thing. So whenever you apply any widget on your home screen, for example, let's take Oneplus stock widget, and when you resize the widget, you'll see cropping is not proper. Timing and the first alphabet of the day gets completely cropped off when we try to resize Oneplus stock widget. And this is not only with OnePlus stock widget, this also happens with other widgets too. Here we have the clock widget. Let's take this as an example. Long press, and if we try to resize the same thing, here you can see that issue again. And here's another UI glitch which happened to me while getting a call. When I tried to receive the call, the entire calling UI turned into white color. Then another issue what I noticed was related to the charging animation. So the charging animation sometimes stuck at this place, but the device continues to charge. And these issues, I'm not sure it's with the Google applications or OxygenOS. Same thing happened here while messaging in the Telegram group. Here you can see a small image, soon I sent a message. And I guess these are the issues of Google applications. And another thing which I am totally done with OnePlus, after even buying high-end phones, we still don't get the support of 90 FPS in Battlegrounds Mobile India. If we enable 90 FPS in graphic settings, we still get to see 60 FPS max output from my OnePlus 9. And this happens with OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9 series. I don't know when OnePlus gonna fix this issue. If that's the case, there is no use buying OnePlus high-end devices for gaming stuff. So guys, these were some of the issues which I have faced on OxygenOS 12 latest stable build, which was an hotfix over the previous stable build. Still, there are a lot of things to be taken care by OnePlus, and let's wait and watch how much time OnePlus gonna take to fix all these issues. And now let's also talk about the camera part after this update. Basically, on this update, there are no major improvements to be seen with the camera segment. These are some of the samples which I clicked after updating the device. In normal lighting condition, the picture quality seems to be good enough. But still, there's lots of color shifting happens whenever we switch to different lenses. Here you can take a look at these images. The first one which was clicked with wide angle, there you can see the sky color. Here we have few more samples in all three different lenses. And I know you guys can easily make out the color difference in all the three lenses. Though front camera in portrait mode does a pretty good job. Device also maintains the exposure level while clicking pictures with front camera in portrait mode, though a lot of optimization happens after you click the picture. And one of the worst part of OnePlus 9 camera after the update of OxygenOS 12 is related to photos clicked in low light condition. Here we have few samples in which left hand side image is being clicked in normal mode and towards the right hand side that image is clicked in night mode. Other than reducing the noise, OnePlus camera doesn't do anything additional when it comes to night mode. So I think OnePlus needs to work more on camera part. And I don't even see any benefits of Starburst mode on OxygenOS 12. I guess on beta updates, Starburst mode used to take around 30 to 35 seconds to click a picture using tripod. But here on OxygenOS 12 stable build, it hardly takes 2 seconds to click a picture after even enabling Starburst mode with device kept on tripod. Overall, I'm not happy with the camera part on OxygenOS 12. But you guys let me know, are you guys satisfied with the camera performance on OxygenOS 12 or not? And now let's move on to the battery backup. On a community tab, battery section got the highest vote. So here I have the battery cycles and the screen on time which I got after updating the device to latest build of OxygenOS. On day 1, I got 4 hours and 17 minutes of screen on time, in which half the time I played Battlegrounds Mobile India. With second cycle, again I got 4 hours and 37 minutes of screen on time with my gaming stuff. Third cycle I got 5 hours and 16 minutes of screen on time. Again I did lot of gaming there too. And here we have the overnight battery drain. On day 1, I only noticed 4% of battery drain in 7 hours. And guys, all these battery backup and overnight battery drain are with the ambient display turned on. Not always on display, but ambient display turned on. Throughout this testing, ambient display was turned on my OnePlus 9. Day 2, overnight battery drain was only 3% in 5 hours. So here, if I had to say anything about the battery backup is too good on OxygenOS 12 and overnight battery drain is also pretty much low. So no complaints related to battery backup on OxygenOS 12. Last but not the least, now let's also talk about the performance part. So when it comes to performance, I basically do testing on Battlegrounds Mobile India because I play that game a lot. And we have made a dedicated video on that. That video link can be found in the I button. Make sure to check out that gaming test. And with no doubt, performance in gaming was damn good on my OnePlus 9. As you all know, device doesn't allow us to play Battlegrounds Mobile India in 90 FPS, but with 60 FPS, I did not see any kind of lags or frame drops. Not even heating issues were seen. Device was constantly maintaining 55 to 60 FPS throughout the gameplay. In that gaming test video, we played 3 maps and in all the 3 maps, we landed at hot drop and also involved in multiple fights, but not even a single place I found frame drops. So one of the best thing about OxygenOS 12 is we get better battery backup and a great performance. And the gaming test was done in normal mode. I did not even turn on the high performance mode. If you turn on the high performance mode, I'm damn sure your device will not have any kind of issues playing any high-end game or intense graphics game. So guys, this was a complete review of OxygenOS 12 hotfix which was recently rolled out for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. I hope I have covered almost everything. If I have missed out anything, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys ask me about updating your device to OxygenOS 12 from OxygenOS 11, then currently I won't recommend you guys, because as I showed in this video, there are a lot of UI glitches. But if you guys are the one who wants to try out the latest OS, then you can go ahead for it. Gaming part and battery backup is too good on this current version of OxygenOS 12. The only drawback with this latest update of OxygenOS is that we have minor glitches here and there. But those glitches doesn't appear all the time. Sometimes you might get to see those issues while using your device. And those won't restrict you to use your device as a daily driver. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.